Simon Faulkner, congratulations for becoming an Amplify AI Workshop Plus member, and congratulations to your sponsor, Marty Bostic. Marty will now earn 40% monthly residual commissions from your Amplify AI Workshop Plus member subscription. Simon, now I'm going to program one of our several AI avatar characters to take over, explaining what you will receive as an Amplify AI Workshop Plus member in the next scene. Wait for it. Wait for it. Here it comes.
Welcome, Simon. I'm Alicia, and I'll be your AI guide for the next few minutes. Harvey asked me to take over and explain what benefits you receive as a Plus member. One of the most important benefits is as follows. For those free members who sponsor another free member, Harvey will place you in the rotation producing a welcome video for that free member with your Amplify AI Workshop referral link in the description of the video. The free member will receive the 40% monthly residual commissions for the upgrade, but Simon, you being a Plus member who hangs out in the live school hangout, your referral link will be placed in the description of the welcome video. When the video is ready, your new video will be placed in our Amplify AI Workshop YouTube channel, plus other social networking sites we own. You could potentially have hundreds or thousands of your Amplify AI Workshop referral links scattered throughout the internet in the months to come. But there's more. In addition to that most important benefit of Harvey doing the marketing for you, with the welcome videos, having your referral link in the videos, Harvey or Marty will meet you in a private training room teaching advanced courses for custom talking videos for yourself, friends, family, or business associates that you can sell for profit. How to make AI work for any business or any of your money-making opportunities. How to earn money referring others to our AI school. How to use AI for all your investment decisions. How to build real applications using vibe coding. Where to find the best text-to-speech software. AI YouTube tutorials and resources. How to boost your AI prompting. How to spot AI scams, AI tips and tricks, and more. Now back to Harvey.
Thank you, Alicia, for letting us know what the Plus benefits are for Simon and all of our Plus members. Now, for those of you who are watching this AI-generated talking video outside of our Amplify AI Workshop community and want to learn more about how AI may work for you, plus have me produce a custom AI talking video for you, click on Simon's referral link in the description or comments of this video and join. As a free member, you can earn 40% monthly residual commissions by you sharing your referral link throughout the internet. After a period of time, you could build a nice full-time income by sharing your referral link as instructed in our affiliate training course in our Amplify AI Workshop School. If you are already a free member and want me to do free video marketing for you, like I'm doing for Simon, find the Upgrade tab and become an Amplify AI Workshop Plus member enjoying all the benefits Alicia talked about earlier. Okay, you know what to do. I'll be waiting for you inside, ready to help build your Amplify AI Workshop business. Harvey out.